Okay, so let's say you have this scenario you want to free a block B, and you don't have to do coalescing because its lower neighbor is free. So here we are. We're going to start off with block B. It starts here used at its end. And then what we're going to do is call free on it. So call free. And we're going to coalesce this. Well, first thing is we need to know if the below block is free. And how we're going to do this is by just going to that block. So we'll start off at B, used, do +1 on the used header pointer. When we get to end, add the use block size, C, cast it to a free block, and then check the data here and say, is the type free? Yes, then it's free. If you cast it as free and it comes back as no, the type is used, then you cannot coalesce it. So for any block that's below it, so we're on block B here, we can quickly test the block below it just by walking the pointers down and testing this header. And since the used header and free header have the same layout, whether you cast it as a used or free doesn't matter. The block type will be in the same location, so we can read that. It's aliasing the same values. Alright, so let's say it's free. So we start off this block here, used header, go down one used header, get to end, add the used header block size. So now we're going to see, we cast it, it's a free header. Now we can coalesce it. So we're going to coalesce these two. What we're going to do is basically take these two and now glue them together. This is where the diagram is so important. We're going to go from a header, some free block, header and free block, and we're going to create one free block, and the rest of the distance is totally, is the free block itself. So the rest of the distance. So what we need to do is find the very bottom address right here, and we'll call it. See if I can close the We'll call it D. So how we're going to find D, because D is going to be the magic one, so that we can find this out, is we're going to start off at C, go down the size of the free header, plus the free block size. Boom, we get D, capture that data. So then it's basically D minus N gives us the size of the free block, and then the free block here is just one. We'll add that into the linked list appropriately. Thanks.